discuss about how to explain Selenium Java TestNG Automation Framework. In interviews, like there will be definitely this question like, oh, have you worked on framework and what is your framework? So explain about your framework. So that question will be there in each interview about testing related, like automation testing. Then I have just written the things which are important to explain in each of the interviews. Like whenever they ask, you have to mention all these points that I have mentioned here. So how to explain that? I am just okay. So first of all, you have to tell them about, like, in my organization we are using tools like Selenium Java TestNG and data driven framework. Then mention about data driven framework. Explain it, like what is data driven framework. It is a method of separating data set from test case. Once data set separated from test cases, data set can be easily modified for a specific functionality without changing the code. So similarly, you have to explain about data driven framework. Then explain Maven or Gradle depending upon where you work. Like if you have worked on Maven, then explain about Maven. And you can mention about Gradle if you have worked on Gradle. So it is a build tool that provides everything related to development of project, and provides different folders and important file like POM.xml. So about after that, you have to explain about page object model POM. In this POM, you can mention about the project structure, about base class, utility class, page classes, and test classes. For each web page, we have page class and test class, and all the variables and methods name in that class will be the functionality that we are performing. Also mention, like base class, we have code to open the browser, open the application URL, to switch between environments, to switch between browsers. And in the utility class, we write the code to fetch data from Excel sheet, taking screenshot when methods fail. Then in the page classes, we write the code for functionality for respective pages. For each web page, we have page class, right? So for all the methods, all the functionality that we are performing on that page, we will be writing on the page class. And in the test classes, we just call the methods from the page class, and we validate the results here. And we'll just call the methods in test classes from the page classes. Okay. And then explain about page factory. Page factory, it is used to initialize a driver with the web elements in each web page, in each page classes, right? So in each page class, we need page factory to initialize the driver with the web elements. Then explain about TestNG. It is an automation testing framework used to execute test cases, and also mention the advantages of TestNG, like a parallel testing is possible, grouping is possible, advanced annotations are there. Also we can use keywords. Also we can generate TestNG.xml files for the to perform the specific execute the specific test cases. Then explain about a POM file, like what kind of dependencies you have added in the POM, like Selenium WebDriver, TestNG dependency, Apache POI dependency, Apache POIs to fetch data from Excel sheet. Then mention about WebDriver Manager dependency we have added for compatibility testing. After that, you have to explain about folders and files that are present inside your framework. So mention about, like, test data. In test data, we have Excel sheet from which we fetch the data, and in the screenshot folder we save all the failed test cases, a screenshot of the failed test cases. And in the config file, we have important data like username, password, URLs, a different environment. So mention about that. And then mention about reports, like what kind of reports you are using. If you are using just TestNG, then mention about it. If you are using extent reports, then also mention about extent reports. And after that, you have to explain about GitHub repository, or wherever you are saving the repository. Just mention about it, like a code hosting platform where we push our code after writing the code on our local system. We push our code to the GitHub repository. And after that, you can mention about Jenkins or Azure DevOps, whatever your organization you are using. Then mention about that, like it is a tool that is used to schedule the job, and it runs every day, and we can easily go and check the results every day. So yeah, this is all about the Selenium Java TestNG Automation Framework. So I have explained about data driven framework. You can also change as per your organization, like you can test driven framework or keyword driven framework. So as per you have worked on, so you can change the things in this explanation. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.